Hello and hi everyone! So in this video, we are going to share to you guys about safety and safety awareness in this lab. We hope that you guys will understand all of our points in this video, and also don't forget to fill the feedback forms after watching this video. My name is Intan Farisha Aina and I will tell to you guys what is terminology. Okay. So basically, terminology is a general word for the group that socialize words or meaning that relate to a particular field. It is also a study for such terms and their use. This is also known as terminology science. Okay, so next, terminology is a discipline that systematically studies the labeling or designating of concepts particular to one or more subjects or domain of human activity. Terminology can be limited to one or more subjects. For example, multilingual terminology and bilingual terminology. It may have an interdisciplinary focus on the use of terms in different fields. The discipline of terminologies consists of these following aspects. First, I analyze the concept and concept structures that used in a field or domain of activity. Second, identify the terms assigned to the concepts. Third, compile the terminology on paper or in database. Fourth, manage the terminology database. And fifth, create a new terms as required. And in the case of bilingual or multilingual terms, it establishes a correspond between the terms in a various languages. There are two types of terminology. First, ad hoc on terminology, which deals with a single term or limited number of terms. Second, systematic collection of terminology, which deals with all terms in a specific subject field or domain of activity, often by creating a structure and ontology of the terms within that domain and their interrelationships. Lastly, terminological theories include general theory of terminology, socio-terminology, communicative theory of terminology, socio-cognitive terminology, and frame-based terminology. I think that's all from me, and thank you for listening and watching. I hope you guys can understand what is terminology from this video. Thank you.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hadirah binti Ahmad Saleh. Okay, I will continue my part about the pictograms description. Okay, as we know, there are 9 types of hazard that we're familiar with. Let's take a look one by one. Firstly, this symbol represent as explosive hazard. So, the chemicals that usually found with this label is easily to explode. So, you guys must handle the chemical with care, okay? Secondly, this symbol represents about flammable hazard. So, if we found a chemical that contains with this label, we have to be careful because it may catch fire in contact with air. Thirdly, this pictogram shows about oxidizing hazard. This is a classification of preparation that react isothermically with other chemicals. Next, this symbol with gas cylinder represent as gas under pressure. This hazard usually happen in gas container, and this hazard also may explode if we heat it. Next, this is a corrosive hazard. This chemical may destroy living tissue if we contact with it, and it usually may corrosive to metals and cause skin burns. Okay, this is another hazard that we usually found, which is toxic hazard. The chemical that we usually found with this label is very dangerous because it can cause health damage and fatal if we inhale it or touch with our skin. This exclamation mark represent as health hazard. The chemical with this hazard may cause damage to health in aspect of dizziness, allergic skin, and respiratory irritation. This pictogram represents as about serious health hazard which can cause us damage in health in a long term and can causing a cancer. Last but not least, this pictogram represents about dangerous for environment. The chemical may harm the environment and component of it, such as pesticides, petrol that we usually use.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Natasha Alia binti Muhammad Tajuddin. So,
In this video, I'm going to share about accident and incident. Accident is an unexpected event that may result in property damage and also result in injury and illness. While incident is an unexpected event that may result in property damage but does not result in injury or illness. So basically, all accidents are incident, but not all incidents are accident. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, moving on to the next topic, kita ada causes of accidents. There are 3 causes of accidents which are basic causes, indirect causes dan juga direct causes. Untuk basic causes, kita ada 3 points which are personal factor, poor management of safety policies dan juga poor decision making. Okay, next kita ada indirect causes. Kita ada 2 points di bawah indirect causes which are unsafe acts and unsafe condition. Untuk unsafe acts dengan unsafe condition ni, awak boleh bayangkan macam begini situasi dia. Di dalam sebuah lab, murid-murid menjalankan eksperimen. Murid A telah mengacau murid B ketika murid B sedang menjalankan eksperimen dan terdapat berlakunya kemalangan disebabkan kekacauan tersebut. Disebabkan murid A telah mengacau ataupun bergurau dengan murid B, kemalangan terjadi terhadap murid B. Okey, dekat sini awak boleh bayangkan yang kemalangan tersebut telah dicetuskan oleh murid A disebabkan sikapnya yang tidak bertanggungjawab ketika di dalam lab. Dia telah menjalankan satu sikap yang kita sebut kat sini sebagai unsafe act. Tetapi kemalangan tersebut tidak terjadi kepada dirinya. Kemalangan tersebut terjadi kepada murid B. Okey, itu adalah indirect causes sebab kemalangan tu terjadi secara tidak sengaja daripada unsafe act yang telah dijalankan oleh orang lain. Dan kemalangan tersebut terjadi kepada murid lain, murid B, seperti saya cakapkan tadi. Okey, next kita ada direct causes. Dalam direct causes, kita ada 2 points which are hazardous materials dan juga unplanned release of energy. Untuk 2 points ni, kita boleh cakap accident adalah datangnya daripada these 2 things. Maksudnya, accident yang berlaku datang ataupun source of the accident comes directly from the hazardous material ataupun unplanned release of energy. Macam contohnya, bahan kimia kita telah menggunakan, yang kita gunakan telah pun secara tidak sengaja meletup ataupun terbakar di bawah certain conditions dan accident telah berlaku disebabkan bahan kimia tersebut. These are called as direct accidents. Okay?
So hi everyone, my name is Irene. So I am here today to explain to all of you about the accident causation theories. Okay, so basically there are 7 theories that you guys should know, and I know it's quite difficult for you to remember all of the theories. So I'm just going to make it as simple as possible. So I hope you could understand more easier. Okay, so basically all the theories is explaining about the causes of the accident. So yeah, as we all know, the accident that happened are caused by many aspects and reasons. Okay, but there will be someone that will explain about this part more details. So I'm just gonna explain in general. Okay, so the first one is the accident may become from our own behavior, which means human act. Okay, so as we all know, everyone make mistakes, right? So we may do something that without we realize that our own action could lead to the accident to occur. Okay, so the next one is unclear instruction also could be a reason for the accident to occur. So it is very important for you guys to pay attention a lot when the lab instructor are giving their explanation. Okay, so the next one is may come from the environment. Okay, which means an uncomfortable environment that do not suit for you to do the experiment. Okay, so for example a noisy environment. Okay, so it could distract you. And the machineries, or we call as the apparatus, also could be one of the reason for you to make a mistake. Okay, for example, it could be broke and you do not know that it could harm for you to use. So you guys should check it first before using. Okay. Moreover, a theory believe that the accident could be occur due to not only for one reason, but it could be due to many reasons. Okay, so what I mean here is there are a lot of reasons for the accidents to occur. So we have to fully aware of the safety so that we can avoid the accidents. Okay, so I think that's all from me. So I hope you guys understand what I explain to you guys just now. So let's just be safe, everyone, because the more we aware about the safety, the less the probability of the accident to occur. So bye, thank you everyone.
Hi, my name is Nur Alia Natasha binti Muhammad Nizam. Now I will continue with the principle of incident prevention. Did you guys know that an accident can be prevented from happening by plans and preparation? There are 3 reasons to preventing accident, which are legal, human right, and business. Now I will tell you guys about accident prevention in the workplace. But before that, we must know the hazard or the accident that always happen. The accident are slip, muscle strain, being hit by falling object, or inhaling toxic fumes. Now, here's the ways to preventing an accident from happening. The first thing are put signboard on to preventing any future accident occur. Second, learn basic in lifting technique properly. Next, wearing personal protective equipment or PPE. And lastly, create a safe work area.